Alright, what up, y'all? So, just did these, put new lenses in these headlights. I'm gonna show y'all what the old ones look like. So yeah, this is the old lens. Switch hands. But this is the old lens. They get all faded and hazy and ashy looking, so new lenses. But I forgot this car had an issue where the headlights wasn't working, the low beams wasn't working. High beams worked, low beams just didn't work. Should have tested all of this when I had the whole bumper off. Forgot. So this is what you gotta do to change a headlight bulb, or at least reach them. So you gotta take the wheels off. You got this little panel up here, and this is 6 little push-in things or whatever. So get you a screwdriver, get you one of these, whatever you can get. It's weird doing this left-handed. Let's see what I got. Okay, there we go. There we go. Not too bad with the left. But so yeah, you pop a bunch of these out and you can get to the bulb. So let me go ahead and do these with my right hand and I'll turn y'all back on. Alright, so get you a couple of these off. This is open. You got your high beam headlight bulb, your low beam, and then this is your signal light, DRL, whatever. So you can reach everything from here. It's like a little tab part right there, so you just pop that up, or you can, if it's loose enough, you can pull it from the top. But I think I gotta pull it from the bottom. So, maybe, yeah. Let me get a screwdriver and try to pop that from that way. Alright, so pry it loose with the screwdriver, pop it out. This is your bulb. Now, what I'm doing, I got another bulb over here, so I'm just going to pull this plug down, wiggle it down. Just a wiggle, there you go. So I'm going to use this and plug it up to the other bulb, see if it works. If you have to change these bulbs, it's terrible how they're designed, so I'm just telling you now. You have to unscrew whatever that is. So that's a little Torx right there. I know it's looking weird. It's another one right there. So it's 2 of those, you got to unscrew, then it's pulled straight back. Terrible design, I know, but that's how it's got to come out. But let me go grab this other bulb to test this out before I do all of that. Alright, so once you get those 2 bolts out, you end up with this. It takes a T8 Torx bit, which is the smallest, most ridiculous Torx bit you'll ever have to deal with. So be careful, try not to drop no screws, get a magnet if you need to. But yeah, the more I work on these cars, the more I'm glad I never got to get one. And I always wanted one, but these cars frustrate me. But yeah, so this is from another set of headlights, so we're gonna plug this up. If it works, the bulb is bad. If it doesn't work, it's either the relay or the ballast. But both headlights are out, so I doubt that the ballast went out on both of them at the same time. Just same kind of fishy. So let's plug this up, see if we got lights. Alright, so yeah, they didn't come on. So this car has another issue. It's either the ballasts are bad or maybe that relay is bad. But outside of all of that, this is the process of how you change the light bulbs in these cars. So if you wanted to know, you don't have to take off the bumper, nothing like that. But you do got to do more work than you feel like for a light bulb. But that's it. So yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one.